You open your system and your SQL database is marked suspect. DBCC CHECKDB just failed. Your entire team is locked out of critical data. You don't have hours to troubleshoot. You don't have time to call a DBA consultant. You need your database back right now. I'm Josh from Stellar, and in this video, I'll show you how to get your database back without the stress, without the downtime, without needing an SQL Server expert. And honestly, the best part, for most cases, it's completely free. I talk to IT admins and system engineers every single week, and database corruption is one of those things that always hits at the worst possible time. A sudden hardware failure, a bad disk sector, an unexpected shutdown. Any of it can take your MDF file down with it. And traditionally, fixing it meant SQL Server expertise, complex recovery tools, and accepting hours, sometimes days, of downtime. What if you could skip all of that? That's why we built Stellar Online SQL Repair. It's a fully web-based tool that fixes corrupt MDF files without installing any software, and without needing an SQL Server setup on your end. You upload your file, it repairs it. You download your database back, clean, intact, and ready to go. And up to 500 megabytes is completely free. No credit card, no strings. Let me walk you through how it actually works. 3 steps is all it takes. Step 1, upload. Register and securely upload your corrupt MDF file. Free plan handles up to 500 megabytes free database repair. Step 2, scan and repair. The tool automatically scans your database, detects the corruption, and starts repairing. Tables, indexes, triggers, stored procedures, all of it. You'll see a progress bar as it works through the file. Step 3, preview and download. Once the repair is done, you get a full preview of your recovered data before downloading anything, so you know exactly what's coming back. Files under 500 megabytes are repaired and downloaded completely free. And look, I know security is a big concern for IT teams. Everything on this platform is fully encrypted, end to end, and your uploaded file is automatically wiped from our servers within 24 hours. Nothing is stored, nothing is shared. Here's what I think makes this genuinely different from the traditional approach. No software installation, no SQL Server installation, no DBA needed. It preserves your original database structure. Table schemas, stored procedures, triggers, everything comes back the way it was. Repairs typically complete in under 15 minutes, and the platform runs under strict privacy protocols the whole time. Whether you're managing enterprise databases, or you're a one-person IT team just trying to get things back online, I've seen it work for both. Look, SQL corruption doesn't have to mean data loss. It doesn't have to mean hours of downtime. And it definitely doesn't have to mean calling in expensive help. Click the link below, upload your MDF file, and let's get your database back. Fast, secure, and free. I'm Josh from Stellar. See you in the next one.